Hey guys, today we're going to be learning how to make your very own sketchbook. All you're going to need is some paper, a hole punch, scissors, and string or yarn. So while you can always just take a few papers, fold them in half, and staple them together, the way I'm going to show you lets you turn the pages a lot easier. You can add as many or as few pages as you want, and it makes for overall just a better quality. So what you're going to do is take a few pages at a time. I'm going to do 4 at a time. Stack them up nice and even and fold it in half as evenly as possible. Doesn't have to be perfect, just do your best. Let's see here. Okay. Ta-da! So now instead of 4 pages, I have 8. And with my 3-hole punch, I'm going to fit them in here right here, all the way up to the top. Give it a little click. Oh. And then I'm going to do the same thing at the bottom here. This creates a perfectly spaced out even holes, so I don't have to worry about matching everything up exactly right. I'm going to repeat that process until I have enough pages. So I've done it 4 times. Right. Notice how all the holes line up exactly perfect. So I didn't really have to do a whole lot of work, which is nice. Now it's time for string. So what you're going to do is going to be very similar to sewing. I've actually taken some tape and given it like a shoelace type tip so it'll be easier to work with. And you're just going to go in and out. Get in there. Oh, and go back in. And I'm just going to go around and around in the same 2 holes a few different times, maybe like 3, and then tie them together. So, yeah, I think 2 will do. We'll just do 2. Okay. See? And all I have to do now is tie these 2 strings together, like so. Kind of like I do with my shoestrings. I'm going to double knot it so it doesn't come undone. Okay. And it doesn't have to be too tight because I don't want to break the paper holes. Da-da-da. And I'm going to repeat that process for these 2 and these 2. A few moments later. So now that I've done all 3 of my little sewy hole things, I have myself a lovely flippy sketchbook with lots and lots of pages. It only took me a few minutes to do it. So I encourage you to try and make your own sketchbook. You can do this with regular white paper, notebook paper, construction paper, whatever you happen to have with you. Even some scrapbook paper with some lovely textures. You can do something like that. And get creating.